In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your profit on Robinhood. Whether you're tracking your overall gains or wanting to see how well a particular stock has performed, it's important to understand exactly where to look inside your Robinhood account for this information. Let's walk through each step together so you'll know how to find both your total profit and the performance of individual stocks with ease. First, start by logging into your Robinhood account using the website. Make sure you're on a secure connection and use your usual login details. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your account's main page. This is often referred to as the landing page. Here, your portfolio summary and several navigation options will be visible. To access your profit information, look for the option labeled All on the landing page and click on it. This gives you a broader view of your investments over time. Right underneath the word investing, Robinhood will display your all-time profit. This figure represents the total gains or losses you've accumulated in your portfolio since you began using the platform. It's a useful snapshot that shows your performance at a glance, reflecting all your investments combined. But what if you're curious about the profit or loss from specific stocks you've invested in? Thankfully, Robinhood makes this information easy to find as well. Navigate up to the Account section, often found in the main menu or sidebar. Click on it to expand more account management options. From there, select Investing. This area gives you a detailed look at your holdings. In this section, find the total return metric. The total return figure tells you how much you've gained or lost on a particular stock since you bought it. If you want to dig even deeper, click on that total return figure. You'll be taken to a more detailed breakdown of your investment. Once you've clicked into this view, look for the line that shows your market value. This area highlights not just the stock's current price, but also your current profit or loss on that individual holding. It's updated in real time with the market, so you can see exactly where you stand at any given moment. Remember, understanding your profit and loss figures is essential for making informed investment decisions. By regularly checking these sections, you'll have a clearer picture of how your portfolio is doing and where you might want to adjust your holdings in the future. I hope this walkthrough helps you feel more confident navigating Robinhood's interface and keeping on top of your investments. Thanks for watching and happy investing.